Good morning and happy Monday. Can you believe that we're about to start week 3 of online learning? It is going by so quick and you guys are doing such an awesome job. You guys are doing your iReady lessons, you're doing your daily lessons and turning them in. You're taking AR tests and that's awesome. And I know that you're going to keep up the good work this week. Your challenge for today is a bubble challenge, and so should you accept it, I think that it's going to be a gorgeous day for going outside and playing with some bubbles. If you do accept it and become a bubble master, if you could, ask your adult or a sibling to take a picture of you, so that way you can attach it to your assignment when you turn it in, or you can email it to me, or you can post it on our Facebook page so that way everyone can see it. I'm so excited and I think that it's going to be so much fun. There is a couple of things that I did want to tell you about today. Starting today and then every day there's going to be a new assignment that I would like you to do very first. And I'm going to show that to you. So under today, under the day, today is Monday, so it's here. There's going to be an assignment called Check-In, and it's going to be a slide. It's only going to take a couple of seconds. This is just like when you would come into the classroom and we would kind of talk for a second, and then during our morning meeting when we would check in and see how everyone's doing and how everyone's feeling. Because I can't actually see you, but I do still care about you and about your feelings, so I would like to know how you're feeling. There's no right or wrong answer. I would just like you to be honest, okay? And I hope that you feel that you can be honest about this. So there's different emotions on each side of the slide. And I am feeling happy, so I'm going to find the happy face and I'm going to drag them over to the circle. If you want to make them bigger, one of the blue squares in either of the corners is going to do that. So if you click on the blue square and then just drag it, it'll make them bigger, okay? And then over here, I want you, is it going to work? Okay, to tell me 1 or 2 sentences about why you feel happy. I feel happy because it is nice out and I miss the sun. I really do miss the sun and it's so nice. So remember, if you spell a word wrong, it's going to put this red line under it. That's okay. If you right click, it's going to tell you the right way to spell it. Spell check. We use our resources. Okay. And then I don't have it because I'm on the teacher side and not on the student side. But don't forget to turn it in up here. Okay. You should have a turn in button somewhere up here. So don't forget to do that so that way I can see it. And again, no right or wrong. Just checking in. Okay, so that's going to be every day. And then another thing about today, remember that our class meeting is going to be at 10:30 instead of 10. Okay, so about the same time, but a little bit later. And if you do have a ruler or a tape measure, bring that with you. And then something to write with and something to write on. Okay. And to go along with why we might need a ruler or a tape measure, I'm going to read to you the story called How Long? This is an AR book, so when I upload this video to our Google Classroom, I'll put the AR number in the description for you. So this book is called How Long? Wacky Ways to Compare Length. Listen up, elephant. No ifs, ands, or buts. Your trunk is as long as 42 peanuts. One football field is just as long as 960 sandwiches joined in song. And then it tells you down at the bottom, one field equals 360 feet, and one sandwich equals 4.5, something that's too small for me to see. 3 pointy human teeth, it's the truth, are nearly the length of one great white shark tooth. So these teeth right here, 3 of them all stacked up, is the length of one shark tooth. That's kind of a long shark tooth. I would be afraid. How long was Apatosaurus's head to tail? Along its back, 30 skateboarders sail. I've never heard of this. Maybe some of my dinosaur friends have heard of this. 7 sticks of licorice stuck together equal the length of 1 peacock feather. A rocket to the moon is a 3-day ride. How long for a car driving 65? 153 days. Wow. I can't see what it says right here. Down here it says distance to the moon is 238,855 miles per something. I can't tell what that is. And then a rocket speed is 6,635 miles per hour. So there's some comparisons with really big numbers for you. How many rats does it take to make the length of a python, a great big snake? 13 rats. It takes 13 rats to go from the tail of a python to his head. Rats are much larger than mice. A rat is probably, I don't know, this long, maybe? And 13 of those? I'm not getting anywhere near a snake that's that long. One royal cruise ship stretches out to sea. It's the length of 170 mattresses, fit for a queen. 10,961 cruise ships you can see are just as long as one Mississippi. And this is the Mississippi River that travels right here. That is as long as 10,961 cruise ships. That's long. I didn't realize it was that long. An eagle spreads its wings so wide, the length of $13 bills side by side. We could see how long that is if we had $13 bills. The Golden Gate Bridge from shore to shore equals the length of 180 ladder trucks and no more. A ladder truck is kind of like a fire truck that has the ladder that folds up on the top of it. How long, you wonder, till we reach the end? It's here. This book is done, my friend. So that was kind of cute story about comparing. We can measure using all sorts of different things, and we kind of talked about that in one of our Zooms last week, or our Google Meets. And we're going to talk more about measuring and comparing lengths this week, and I'm super excited. I hope that you have a great Monday, and I look forward to seeing all of you at 10:30. Have a good day.